Good morning to all my dear student. Myself, Miss Razia, and I welcome you all in the English lecture. Student, in today's lecture, I am going to explain you the grammar topic, that is question tag. So in today's video, we are going to study what, children? Question tag. This you have already might have heard this word, or you must have learned in your previous year, that is 7th standard or 6th standard. You must have heard this topic. So here question tag. Children, what is the question tag? Question means when you are asking a question to someone. So here also the question tag means a question tag which is asked to a listener to make it confirmation whether he understand or not the question. It is asked again, that is known as question tag. So student, before starting this topic, I request all the students to take out your English notebook. Write this topic heading. Your topic heading is question tag. Now this you have to write in the grammar part which you have made in English notebook. आपने English notebook में grammar part बनाया है back side. Already we have completed one topic, that is type of sentences. So now this is the second topic of grammar, that is question tag. So write the heading question tag on the back side of your English grammar notebook. So children, whatever now I explain you, you have to note it down in your English notebook. Is it clear, children? Whatever in this video, whatever notes will come, whatever sentence will come, whatever examples will come, everything you have to write down in your English grammar part. So let's understand the meaning of question tag. Question tag is a small question asked at the end of the statement to the listener for his confirmation. As I said you, that question means asking a question. So when you ask a question, you are a speaker. You says it, and the one who listen to your question is a listener. So here the question is asked to the listener whether he understand or not. उसको समझ में आया कि नहीं question. For that, if you ask a question, that is known as question tag. So question tag means, this is a meaning, children. Question tag is a small question asked at the end of the statement. अगर एक statement हो गया है, एक sentence हो चुका है, at the end of the statement when you are asking a question. For example, if I says you, Reena, do you dance? Reena, do you dance? So, or if I ask that Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. So here I am asking, this is a statement. Ram is a boy is a statement. So at the end I will put a question mark. Isn't he? Isn't he means क्या वो है? So at the end when you put a question mark to make the listener understand whether you have understand the statement or not. So this is known as question tag. Children, in question tag, the very important thing is that you have to check in the sentences the helping verb. आपको sentence में helping verb देखना है. So now you will ask me children, Miss, what is helping verb? Children, helping verbs are verb which help the sentence, which are used in the sentence to make the sentence proper. For example, is, are, was, were, was, would, may, might, would. All these are the helping verbs. So how to make a contract? Contract means short form of this helping verb we will see. See children, contraction. Contraction means if in the sentences is not given. अगर I said you helping verb is what? Is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, shall, will. All this word, ये सब word क्या होते हैं? Helping verb होते हैं. If these words are there in the sentence, अगर ये आपके sentence में है, ये words है, तो उसको कैसे लिखना है? That we will see. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म मीन शॉर्ट फॉर्म. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म मीन शॉर्ट फॉर्म. इज नॉट रहेगा तो उसको कैसे लिखोगे आप? इजेंट. आर नॉट रहेगा तो कैसे लिखोगे उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में? आरंट. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म आर एन एपोस्ट्रोफी टी. सो टू राइट द शॉर्ट फॉर्म यू कैन से एज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. एम नॉट, तो एम नॉट का होगा एमेंट. सो यू कैन राइट आरंट ऑल्सो फॉर दैट एम नॉट का. वॉजंट, वॉज नॉट का हो जाएगा वॉजंट. Were not, it will change into weren't. Has not will change into hasn't. Have not, haven't. Had not, hadn't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't. Shall not, shan't. Now you can see shall not को हम लोग shan't नहीं लिखेंगे. Shan't, shant, see the spelling properly, you will write shan't. Will not को you will write won't. So this two is little different, rest you can see is a contracted form. Here are the more. Cannot you will write can't. Ought not you will write won't. Must not you will write mustn't. Should not you will write shouldn't. Would not you will write wouldn't. So all these words are helping verb. What is this, children? Helping verb. This you have to check in the sentence. आपको whenever there is a question tag is asked, you have to see the sentence में. आपको sentence में पहले helping verb ढूंढना है. Okay, children? I want you to note down this also in your notebook. Now here important points to remember. Now whenever you are going to do a question tag, अगर एक sentence पूछा गया और आपको question tag करना है, this 5 points you have to keep in your mind very properly. You have to fit it in your mind. See, first of all, when a statement is given to you, you have to copy the statement as it is. अगर आपको एक statement दिया है, for example, Ram is a boy, so आपको पहले पूरा statement copy करना है. Ram is a boy, full copy करो, again copy it, then put a comma, use a comma. सबसे पहला आपको पूरा sentence copy करके what you have to add, comma. यूज़ ऑफ स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट इन क्वेश्चन टैग. आपको क्वेश्चन टैग में बिग अल्फ़ाबेट यूज़ करना नहीं है. नाउ आई सेड यू राम इज़ अ बॉय, तो हियर राइट द सेंटेंस अगेन, पुट अ कॉमा, देन व्हाट इज़ द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज इन दिस राम इज़ अ बॉय. इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है, इज़. नाउ इज़ अ पॉजिटिव, इज़ पॉजिटिव है तो उसका नेगेटिव लिखना है. उस इज़ क्या है, पॉजिटिव. व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म ऑफ इज़ का पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव लिखना है इजंट. डू रहेगा तो डोंट, डज रहेगा तो डजंट. सो लाइक दैट यू हैव टू राइट द, इफ इट इज़ इन द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, अगर सेंटेंस में नॉट नहीं है तो आपको नॉट लगाना है. फॉर राम इज़ अ बॉय, सो हियर नाउ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज बट नॉट इज नॉट यूज, द सेंटेंस इज पॉजिटिव, यू हैव टू मेक दैट सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव. सो इज का नेगेटिव क्या होगा, इजंट. सो यू हैव टू राइट इजंट. आफ्टर दैट यूज प्रोनाउन. नाउ प्रोनाउन इज़ वेरी कंपल्सरी. एट द क्वेश्चन टैग आपको प्रोनाउन लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिफोर क्वेश्चन टैग, बिफोर क्वेश्चन मार्क, यू हैव टू राइट अ प्रोनाउन. नाउ राज इज़ अ बॉय और अ गर्ल, येस he is a boy, so I will use a pronoun here is he. So your question tag will be isn't he, and at the end you have to put the question mark. So you understand the what points you have to keep in the mind, children. If the sentence is positive, you have to make it negative. So here first of all, copy the sentence as it is, put a comma, see whether the helping verb is there. Yes, the helping verb is there. If the helping verb is positive, make it negative. If the helping verb is negative, make it positive. Then use a proper pronoun. See the subject, आपको subject लिखना है. boy है तो he लिखना है, girl है तो she लिखना है, they है तो they लिखना है. So like that, and at the end put a question mark. See here, one example is given, Seema cooks food. So now here Seema cooks food, Seema food cook करती है, but यहाँ पे helping verb दिया नहीं है, but the sentence is in present tense. So if the sentence is in present tense, you have to use does or don't. So here when you're talking about one girl, you have to read does. When you're talking about many, you have to use don't. So here Seema is a one girl, so if we will use does, doesn't, so does will become positive. The sentence is positive, I have to make it negative. Doesn't she, and you have to put the question mark. Let's see more clearly, children. So here see the example. I have written Peter is happy. Peter is happy. This is your statement. Now what is your first rule? Copy the statement as it is. पहला statement को copy करो as it is. Peter is happy. I have copied like that way. Then after happy I have put comma. Here see comma. Now find the helping verb in the sentence. What is the helping verb in the sentence? Yes, is. Is helping verb है, but it is in positive. The sentence positive है, तो is अगर positive है तो उसको negative बनाना है. You have to write isn't. Now I said you have written isn't, is का आपने isn't कर दिया, make it negative. Then you have to use pronoun. आपको pronoun use करना है. For pronoun, see the subject. Pronoun के लिए आपको subject देखना पड़ेगा. Peter. Now Peter is a boy or a girl? Yes, he is a boy. That's why I have used he. So isn't he? After that put a question mark. So in this way you have to make a question tag. See one more sentence I had given you. Peter is not happy. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट, ये एक स्टेटमेंट है, पीटर हैप्पी नहीं है. कॉपी द स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज. पीटर इज नॉट हैप्पी, पूरा स्टेटमेंट कॉपी किया, पुट अ comma. Now here tell me what is the helping verb is. Now with is there is not given, already the sentence is negative. आपका सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है तो उसको पॉजिटिव करना है. is not का आपको सिर्फ लिखना है is. Clear children? In the above sentence is given, the sentence is positive, you had made it negative, isn't you had used. But in the second sentence if you notice, it is already negative given, is not, so you will make it into is. Again, what is the pronoun is over here? Peter. Peter is a boy, so I will use he. So is he, and at the end I will put question mark. So did you understand children? In this way you have to make a question tag. Write this also in your notebook. See the more example. Positive question tag. I said you, when the sentence is positive, you have to make it negative, and when the statement is negative, you have to make positive. When the statement is negative, अगर आपका statement मतलब जो sentence दिया हुआ है, statement here means sentence. If the sentence is negative, you have to put the question tag. आपका जो question tag होगा वो positive होगा. Peter is not happy. Sentence क्या है आपका? Statement हो गया ना. This is negative. The sentence is negative. So how I put? I have copied the whole sentence. Put a comma. In place of not I have removed that not. अगर sentence negative है, statement negative है, तो आपको positive question tag चाहिए. Is he pronoun is used, and at the end question tag. So in this way negative sentences को positive question tag लगाना है, and positive sentence को negative question tag. And how to make a question tag sentence with helping verb? I said you negative रहे, positive है यहाँ पे. Peter is working hard. So copy the statement as it is. Peter is working hard. I have copied. I have put a question mark. Now see the helping verb in this. What is the helping verb is this? Is. So this is positive. I have to make the sentence is positive. तो मुझे question tag negative बनाना है. So is will change into isn't. And at the end you have to put a pronoun. So Peter is a boy, so I had put a he, and at the end question mark. I hope children you are understanding each and everything, whatever I am explaining and whatever is showing on your screen, you have to write it down in your English grammar part. Is it clear children? So here's children listen. So that was the helping verb. आपके सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगा तो आप उसको पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव करोगे. बट इफ इन द सेंटेंस देर इज नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब, आपके सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब है ही नहीं, इज, वॉज, आर, वुड, शुड, नथिंग इज देयर. In that condition children, you have two options. You have to check the sentence is present tense or past tense. उस condition में आपको देखना है कि sentence present है कि past है. How you will check? By looking the verb. आपको verb को check करके, verb means action word. The action word, the verb which is used in the sentence, you have to look the verb, and then you have to understand whether the sentence is present or whether the sentence is past. और अगर sentence past tense में हुआ, the verb is in past tense, then you have to add did. आपको क्या ऐड करना है? did. If the sentence is in past tense, again remember children properly, if the sentence is in past tense, अगर वो sentence past tense में हुआ, verb past tense में हुआ, तो you have to add the question tag didn't. आपको कौन सा question tag ऐड करना है? didn't. But if the sentence or the verb is in present tense, आपका present tense में है, so again there is a two option. You have to check whether singular or plural. वो sentence में one person बात कर रहा है कि many person बात कर रहा है. If only girl or boy, if he or she is there, then you have to use the question tag doesn't. DOESENT, doesn't. And if it is talked about many, then you have to use don't. Children, I hope you are understanding. If there is no helping verb in the sentence, अगर sentence में helping verb नहीं है, then there is a two condition. You have to check the sentence is present tense or past tense. आपको check करना पड़ेगा sentence present है कि past है by looking the verb. अगर past tense है तो आपको didn't लिखना है. In past tense no singular plural. But in present tense, अगर present tense रहेगा तो आपको देखना है कि singular है कि plural है. अगर सिंगुलर है, एक पर्सन बोल रहा है, तो डजंट आएगा. इफ मेनी पीपल आर टॉकिंग देन डोंट विल कम. लेट्स गेट मोर क्लियर बाय एग्जाम्पल. सी वन एग्जाम्पल इज फ्लैश्ड ऑन योर स्क्रीन. पीटर वर्क्स हार्ड. सो पीटर वर्क्स हार्ड. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस इफ यू सी देर इज नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आपको इस सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब दिखाई नहीं देगा. इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वेर, नो. सो इन दिस कंडीशन व्हाट आई सेड यू, फर्स्ट चेक वेदर द सेंटेंस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस और पास्ट टेंस. सो वो कैसे पता चलेगा? लुक द वर्ब. सो व्हाट इज द वर्ब ओवर हियर? वर्क्स. वर्क्स इज अ प्रेजेंट, वो काम कर रहा है, वर्क्स. सो इट्स अ प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो प्रेजेंट टेंस में आपकी दो कंडीशन होती है, one person or many person. So Peter is a one person or many person? One person. So if the sentence is present tense and one person is telling, means you have to use the question tag doesn't. आपको कौन सा क्वेश्चन टैग यूज करना है? डजंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉलो द रूल, राइट द स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज, पुट अ कॉमा. नाउ नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन चेक वेदर प्रेजेंट और पास्ट टेंस. Yes, the sentence is present tense and only one person is talking about it, so we will use doesn't. Again the same policy. प्रोनाउन, राइट, प्रोनाउन मतलब द सब्जेक्ट का लिखना है. तो पीटर इज़ अ बॉय, सो आई विल राइट ही एट द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन द क्वेश्चन टैग इफ देर इज़ नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब. फॉर टू make you more easy the concept, see the second example. Rohan and Raman came late. So here if you see again there is no helping verb. ये sentence में वापस helping verb नहीं है, is, are, was नहीं है. But if you see the verb came, come is a present, came is a past tense. Sentence में past tense use किया गया, verb is past tense. तो जब past tense होगा तो only one didn't you have to use. So see, Rohan and Raman came late. Write it as it is, put a comma. Sentence is in past tense, so I had used didn't. Now there are two person, Rohan and Raman is a boy, so I cannot write he. मैं he नहीं लिख सकती क्योंकि दो के बारे में बता रहा है. तो if two person are there, I will write the pronoun they. So didn't, they, and at the end I will put question mark. So I hope you understand the concept. If there is no helping verb, then how you have to write it down. So children, these are the homework which I am giving you. If all the concept, all the points which I said you, it's clear to you, then you can solve this homework very easily. There is one question is given and the down I had given option. I am happy. So I am happy is a statement. Now here helping verb is there. Yes, am. Am will change into aren't. So aren't I. Aren't I is your correct answer. So like that you have to find your answer and you have to submit me. Children, this is the questions are there which is flashed on your screen. I hope you have understand. This is your homework which you have to solve it out. You just have to tick mark the right answer. आपको सिर्फ right answer को tick mark करना है. My friends, Ram is egoistic. So you have to see the helping verb, change the helping verb, and then like that you have to just check it out and just do it. Children, I hope you have understand. Complete all this work and send me not on this number. Children, whoever will send me the homework in this number, अगर किसी ने मुझे ये फ़ोन पे homework भेजा, I am not going to check it out. Children, now you, for this I am using this cell only to send you the things on the WhatsApp, but you don't send me anything on this number. If you want to call me also, call me on the second number. Send anything, any answers, any messages, everything you just do on the second number. Once again, write it down, my second number, children. Those who don't have my second number, please note it down, my second number. And you have to send the answers, the exam paper also. Now tomorrow is your exam is there. Everything, everything you have to send me on that number only. So take down my number, children. 9765050202. So this is my number. Once again I tell you, 9765050202. So you have to send me the homework and everything, your exam paper also in that number. Children, I hope you have understand this grammar concept. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Complete the notes in everything. Once again, I'll tell you the point. Remember, you have to first copy down the statement as it is, put a comma, check whether helping verb is there. If it's positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive. If there are no helping verb, then also I have said you the trick. See the sentences present tense or past tense. Then write the pronoun. आपको pronoun लिखना है. Subject को देख के pronoun लिखो. At the end put question mark. And in this way your question tag will get complete. Student, did you understand the concept properly, write down in your English notebook. Okay children, if you have any doubt, contact me on that number or message me on that number. Don't message me on this number again and again. I am repeating, I am requesting you, kindly children, don't message me on this number. Don't call me on this number, call me on the another number which just now I had sent you, 9765050202. Okay. Okay children, I hope you have understand this lesson, this grammar topic. Stay home, stay safe and complete all your notes on time.